Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of innovative technology with Lenovo's newest addition to their lineup, the V15 Series Laptop. Packed with incredible features and designed to meet the demands of modern computing, this laptop is set to revolutionize your digital experience. Join us as we uncover the impressive capabilities of this powerhouse machine. The laptop is shown from various angles, highlighting its slim profile, premium build, and stunning display. At the heart of the Lenovo V15 Series Laptop lies a powerhouse of performance, equipped with a lightning-fast Intel 4-core processor, clocked up to 3.3 GHz, and a whopping 16 GB of RAM. This laptop ensures seamless multitasking and smooth operation. Whether you're crunching numbers, editing videos, or immersing yourself in gaming adventures, feast your eyes on the brilliance of the 15.6-inch Full HD display, offering stunning visuals with vibrant colors and sharp clarity. But that's not all. Lenovo takes your eye health seriously with low blue light technology, reducing eye strain during extended usage sessions, so you can work or play comfortably for hours on end. Connectivity is key in today's digital age, and Lenovo doesn't disappoint. With an array of ports including HDMI, Ethernet, USB, and more, you can easily connect all your peripherals and accessories with ease. Whether you're presenting in the boardroom or streaming your favorite content at home, the Lenovo V15 Series Laptop has you covered. Say goodbye to tangled wires and hello to seamless wireless connectivity. With built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth technology, the Lenovo V15 Series Laptop lets you stay connected wherever you go. Stream your favorite music to wireless headphones, transfer files effortlessly between devices, or connect to the internet with lightning-fast speeds. The possibilities are endless. Whether you're a student, professional, or creative enthusiast, the Lenovo V15 Series Laptop is your ultimate companion. With the power to handle any task you throw at it and the versatility to adapt to your lifestyle, this laptop is more than just a tool. It's a gateway to endless possibilities. Experience the future of computing with Lenovo's newest innovation, the V15 Series Laptop. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Lenovo's latest V15 Series Laptop. If you're ready to elevate your computing experience to new heights, be sure to check out the link in the description below for more information and to get your hands on one today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. Until next time, stay tuned and stay tech savvy.